Affairs are not true love. Don't fool yourself, especially women. Let's listen to this story. Some believe that love means overcoming all obstacles to be together. But in affairs, this love is just an illusion. People in affairs often think their feelings are special, even if they cross moral lines. They believe it's real love, like a moth drawn to a flame, ignoring the consequences. But is it really love? No, affairs are not love, not even close. No one in this world can fully satisfy your emotional needs, not even in an affair. What seems like hope quickly turns to pain and disappointment. When a man in an affair says, "I love you," don't believe it. If you do, that's your mistake. Let's hear from a woman named Lily, whose story might help those trapped in affairs. Mistake 1. Marrying a man you don't love. Lily met David when she was 30. She had a stable but dull marriage of 10 years. To her, marriage was just a safe harbor, not a place for passion. Lily felt her husband wasn't good enough for her. She had a master's degree, while he came from a rural background. She married him due to family pressure, not love. They had a son and a home, but she never felt happy. Over time, she grew tired of her husband. He was practical. She wanted romance. He didn't care for style. She disliked his habits. She regretted marrying him. Then, at a friend's gathering, she met Mark, charming, well-dressed, and attentive. Their eyes met, and Lily felt a spark. She took his number, unable to stop thinking about him. Mistake 2. Falling for the wrong man. Lily initiated their meetings. Soon, they began an affair. Mark whispered sweet words, making her feel alive. She asked, "Do you love me?" He always said yes. After a year, Lily couldn't stand her husband anymore. She argued with him constantly. While being sweet to Mark, she believed this was true love. One day, she asked Mark, "Will you marry me?" He said, "Of course, darling." Trusting him, she divorced her husband, expecting Mark to do the same. But when she told him she was free, Mark exploded. "Are you crazy? This was just an affair. Did you really think I'd marry you?" Lily was shattered. She lost her stable home, her husband, and the man she thought loved her. The truth about affairs: never trust a lover's promises. Affairs are built on lies. As writer Eileen Chang once said, "Deep love is a burden I can't bear. Sweet words are just lies told in passing." Men in affairs go through 3 phases. The thrill: they feel desired, escaping reality. The doubt: they juggle wife and lover, growing tired. The reality: most return to their families when the cost gets too high. If you're in an affair, ask yourself, is this worth losing everything? A better choice: instead of seeking love outside, work on your marriage. If it's truly broken, leave with dignity. Don't trade one pain for another. True love respects you. Don't settle for lies.